Supplements promising quick and easy weight loss are everywhere, and LipoFit is one of the latest being advertised with bold claims of burning fat, boosting metabolism without much effort. But the real question is, does it actually work for weight loss? Or is it just hype? Let's break it down. According to product sites, LipoFit is a dietary supplement designed to support metabolism, reduce cravings, and boost fat burning through a blend of plant extracts like African mango, green tea, eleuthero root, and more. It's marketed as a natural weight loss helper you take daily alongside your normal routine. However, real-world effectiveness depends on real evidence, not just marketing claims. One major red flag is the low trust score. ScamAdvisor flags the domain as very young and high risk, which can be typical of low-quality and scammy product shops. This doesn't prove the supplement itself is fake, but it does mean you should be cautious about where you buy and what claims are being made. Here's the reality. No supplement alone can magically melt fat. Certain ingredients like green tea extract do have mild research showing slight boosts in metabolism and fat oxidation, but even the best studied ingredients only support weight loss modestly, and most research shows that diet, calorie control, and activity levels are the real drivers of sustainable fat loss. Even well-known weight loss supplements like liposine, using fiber like glucomannan, have mixed evidence and modest effects, not dramatic results. So take any claims about fast-burning fat without effort with heavy skepticism. Independent discussions online about LipoFit are very limited, and people on Reddit are asking if it actually works, with no clear consensus or verified success stories emerging yet in 2026. That tells us something. There aren't many verified users sharing real before and after results, which is common when products have exaggerated marketing and few scientific or community reviews. The bottom line, LipoFit is not a proven weight loss solution. At best, it might contain ingredients that offer mild metabolic support, but there's no strong evidence it causes meaningful weight loss on its own. Pair any supplement with solid diet and exercise, and consult a healthcare provider before trying new products. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.